Today's video is on the top 3 best cutting boards. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or the use of it, we've got you covered. For more information on products, I have included affiliate links below, which are updated for the best prices. Now, let's find your top pick. Number 3, best budget, Virginia Boy's Black Walnut Wood Cutting Board. This cutting board is proudly made in Virginia, USA, using 100% sustainable walnut wood grown right here in America. They take sustainability seriously, ensuring that the wood used is not only of the highest quality, but also environmentally friendly. Each board comes pre-seasoned the right way with a special blend of pure fractionated coconut oil. This means you can use your board as soon as you receive it, without worrying about any unnatural ingredients touching your food. It's ready to go straight out of the box. One of the standout features of walnut wood is its knife-friendly surface. The wood's porous, soft, and straight grains make it an ideal cutting surface that won't dull your knives. You'll find that your knives stay sharper for longer, and cutting feels smooth and effortless. Durability is another key advantage. This cutting board is thick, sturdy, and reversible, designed to withstand the rigors of daily use without warping, cracking, or splintering. With proper care, these boards can last you for many years, becoming a reliable kitchen companion. Moreover, every purchase you make has a positive impact on the environment. For each board sold, we plant one tree, ensuring that we are giving back more than we take. This commitment to reforestation means we're actively contributing to a healthier planet, one board at a time. So not only are you getting a top quality, durable, and knife-friendly cutting board, but you're also supporting sustainable practices that help keep our forests thriving. Number 2, best overall Villa Acacia ExtraLarge Butcher Block. Imagine a stunning piece of kitchenware that catches everyone's eye. That's the ExtraLarge end grain block. Crafted from rich, dark acacia wood, this block is accented with gold and walnut tones arranged in a beautiful checkerboard pattern. It's quite substantial too, measuring 24 inches long by 18 inches wide, making it perfect for all your kitchen needs. This isn't just any cutting board, it's a solid 2-inch thick block designed to handle anything you throw at it. Whether you're butchering meat, chopping vegetables, or cleaving through tough ingredients, this board is up to the task. Acacia wood, being a tropical hardwood, has a natural resistance to water. This makes it an excellent choice for those who are conscious about health and food safety. You won't have to worry about it warping or absorbing too much moisture. One look at this board and you'll see why it's not just a tool but a piece of art. The intricate hand-assembled detailing is sure to stand out on any kitchen countertop. It's not just practical, it's also a visual delight. This makes it a fantastic gift for anyone who loves cooking, whether it's for dad, mom, or a friend who takes their chef duties seriously. Weighing in at a hefty 18 pounds, you might think this board is cumbersome, but don't worry. It comes with grooved carry handles on the sides, making it easy to lift and move around your kitchen. Despite its weight, you can transport it with ease, thanks to this thoughtful design feature. This beautiful cutting board is brought to you by Villa Acacia, a brand known for luxury, environmentally responsible kitchens and homewares. They pride themselves on modern living solutions that are both stylish and sustainable. In partnership with the National Forestry Foundation, a portion of every sale goes towards tree replanting programs. So not only do you get a top-notch cutting board, but you also contribute to a greener planet. Number 1, our pick: Premium Kitchen Countertop. Let's talk about the solid maple butcher block from Big Bison Blocks. This countertop is a real beauty, measuring 60 inches long and 30 inches wide. It's got a full 1.5-inch thick wood construction, making it super stable and resistant to warping. What is impressive is the premium quality of this wood countertop. It features edge grain construction using full-length wood staves, which means they use long, solid pieces of wood. This makes it a truly high-quality butcher block. Unlike some other brands that cut corners with face grain or mixed-length wood staves, Big Bison Blocks delivers on quality. And here's something to feel good about. Every butcher block is made right here in the USA. It's not just about quality, it's about sustainability too. Now, if you're thinking about using this in your kitchen, you'll be glad to know that this countertop comes with a food-grade finish. It's finished with a mineral oil and wax-based coating that's NSF certified for food contact. So go ahead and chop right on it. There are no varnishes, just a safe and practical surface. And they use food-safe glue with no formaldehyde or VOCs, so it's completely safe for your home and family. Big Bison Blocks is based in Redmond, Washington, and they offer a full 1-year warranty against any defects in workmanship. If you experience any warping or cracking, they'll replace it for you. Just a quick heads up, the legs and other accessories you might see in the photos are for demonstration purposes only and aren't included with the butcher block. So if you're looking for a top-notch, American-made butcher block that's safe for your family and built to last, Big Bison Blocks has got you covered. Those are the top 3 best cutting boards. Remember, we've done the hard work, sifting deep into the research so you don't have to waste time on subpar products. For more details and to grab your favorite, check the affiliate links below or visit our website, toppick3.com. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more reviews. Thanks for watching.